Hey, good morning, guys. It's Gabe Monroy with NerdTech, and actually bringing you a little bit different video today. I normally talk about Air AI or chatbots, and today I just want to bring to your attention. This is a dummy account, and this is my NerdTech powered by GHL automation system. So, if you're not familiar with GHL, what does that mean? Well, GHL stands for Go High Level. It's a very powerful platform that allows you to kind of like build your own CRM, lead flow automations. It can do lots of things from email campaigns to lead automations. It has its own signature service. It has social media management, posting, Google reviews. It's a very, very powerful platform. And if you don't know what it is, I would definitely check it out. I'd love to get you on my NerdTech platform. And if you like what you see. So today I'm actually showing you an aspect that a lot of people don't realize Go High Level can do, which is also part of my NerdTech platform, and it's documents and contracts. So we actually have our own internal signature service where we can sign legal agreements, contracts, real estate contracts, anything like that. Maybe you're selling digital products and want some sort of legal binding agreement for your services that you're providing to your customers. I always recommend that because obviously you don't want anything to come back on you. So really there should be just about something signed in any sort of business with any transaction to make sure that all parties agree on what's being done. And so this is built right in, and it works awesome. You can build out automations off of when things are signed or not signed. So I'm just going to walk you through real quickly kind of how this works. This is my dummy account, like I said. So I navigated to this tab over here called Payments, and then under Payments, we have all these different options up here. We're going to look at documents and contracts, and then I click on templates. We're going to put in a new template here. Let's say this is something we want to use multiple different times. So we can do a new template, create from scratch, or upload PDF. PDFs are nice because you can obviously, most people get their contracts already pre-made from somewhere, so you can just upload it straight to here, and then we can start placing the fields that we want filled out on the PDF. So I have a little test document we can upload here. It's just a dummy contract. Let me see here. Where's it at? I just had to pause for a second because I realized I didn't have it ready. But if we click in the center here, go to my desktop, sample, legal agreement, we'll open that up. All right, click upload. Wait for it to process. Taking us to the builder where we can drop in fields. Here you can change the name of it. This is going to be your, again, remember, this is going to be your template. So we're not going to fill this out with specific information. We're going to actually prep this to have correct information that we need in it. So for instance, everything pretty much starts with the plus over here. You can drop in text, different things, signature. Here's a text field that needs to be filled by your customer. So we could drop something like that in here. And then this could be assigned to a certain recipient. Let's see here. What I wanted to show you was, where's it at? This one here, text. So if we want to put in a regular text in here, we can, let's see here. Maybe it's this one. And so pretty much everything starts at the plus up here where we can add elements. You can overlay different blocks of information here. Most common would be fillable fields. So for instance, if we wanted to put a fillable field here, this would be a field that we could assign to the recipient, or we can actually even pre-fill this. If we hover over it, this is called custom values. And we could pre-fill this with the client's full name. Let's see here, where's the full name? Right there. And then we see contact name. You can make this larger and drag and place this wherever you want. So the cool thing about this is we're going to pre-fill it, but if for some reason we have the name wrong or they need to edit it to make it their true full name, then they would be able to have access to that. But it really helps to be able to pre-fill these fields. So again, you can drop these multiple different places around the document. Let's say maybe we wanted an initial field at the bottom of this page. Boom, you can have initials there, have one assigned to the recipient, have another assigned to you. And then at the bottom of the page, it's as simple as just dropping in a signature field like that. So then if we resize that like that, and then for the name, again, we can drop in a text field like that. And we could drop in a date field here. Boom. So see how quick that is to just be able to make a real simple agreement that we need to sign. And then we're going to save this template. Okay. And now I want to show you how easy it is to make a quick little automation off of this. Let's go back and I'm going to go to automations. As soon as it's done loading, we're going to click on the automations tab over here. And now we're just going to create an automation. Let's see here. We're going to do create workflow, start from scratch. And we're going to call this signed doc. The trigger is going to be, what's it called? Let's see here. I always forget. Documents and contracts right here. And then we're going to do filter, select, status is completed. So once it's completed, we can save the trigger, and then you can do an internal notification. We would do an email, and then we would simply do doc is signed. I'm just doing very simple words here to show you how this works. And then to user, assign users to whoever's in charge of the contact, or you could do particular user if you want all of them to go to you no matter what. Your doc is signed. You may proceed, something simple. We're going to save this. And then let's say you wanted it to move a pipeline stage, so you could update. Let's do opportunity, create update opportunity. And we could say, I didn't make a specific pipeline for this, but we'll just say we're updating it in the pipeline call outcomes. And now this is we'll just call it booked appointment, but this would be a signed document stage or something like that. And then we'd save it. So what we just built here now, to recap, we uploaded a PDF, we dropped in fields so that it could be signed. And then once it is signed, we created a trigger to notify us and then update the stage. Now, if we were to save this, I actually skipped a step that I do want to show you real quick. I want to show you how you can automatically send it. So let's do back to workflows. We're going to do create workflow, start from scratch, and let's say send doc for signature. So this is going to be pipeline stage changed. We're going to do in pipeline. Again, I don't have a pipeline created for this, so I'm just using dummy. All right, so we'll say that in the pipeline call outcomes, if we change it to send to CRM seller. We'll pretend this says send for signature. So if it's in this pipeline and we do send for signature, that's going to be the trigger to send the document, and then we would do uh, send documents and contracts from user. I don't have any users because this is a dummy account. I would select my user, select my template. Boom, there's your template. Save. And we can't save it because I don't have a user in this account. But what it's going to do is it's actually going to send that template, and whatever whatever contact is assigned to this opportunity when we move that stage, it's going to send it to the contact, to their email, and then it's going to automatically put their information in those merge fields where we pre-fill the data, and then they can sign it. And then as soon as it's signed, we're going to get that notification. So boom, it was real quick for me to go over all this. I didn't want to get into too many details, but I just simply wanted to do a very quick demonstration on how powerful it is just to use this one aspect of automating things. So we're getting leads coming into the system. We're following up with them with AI and chatbots, and now we're able to automatically send documents for signature. So if you need help with any of this business type automations, I've helped a lot of businesses, be happy to help you too. So you can always find my calendar down in the link. Definitely reach out and schedule a call. Thanks.